made it to Cece. Look who it is.
Good. Dude.
I have that same hat and I love that hat.
My favorite. What up?
What? I just think how nasty I smell. I haven't washed my hair.
I smell bad too. Just throw on some deodorant.
I just smell so bad that you smell bad. No, I was like, maybe you're smelling yourself, dude.
Where are you leading us?
Oh.
You're just trying to make us feel better.
Y'all do anything last night?
We went to dinner.
Oh, okay.
And went to bed. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm super excited for coffee. Need that. So it's Sunday. I got an update from Timbertown Harley-Davidson. Essentially, they were going to have to replace everything in my cam chest and replace my lifters. And it was going to be a couple grand. It was supposed to be done, Tuesday afternoon. Today it's Sunday. And even though that's bad news and that sucks, the good news is they were open the whole weekend and Monday, so they were able to get it done by Tuesday. And the other thing is that they had all of the parts to do it, which is kind of insane.
Well, we don't really know what day it is. Day 3 or 4.
Ash didn't know what day it was. We all knew what day it was.
And we're at the flea market. And it's great here. Adopt me!
Someone's got to have water.
Oh, so look at the sweetest tiny. So look at it tiny.
His name's Sticky.
Sticky? Shut up!
Because he's a hugger, I guess.
Aww.
One of us is inside, one passenger inside.
I love it.
Fred, show me your jacket.
That's doable.
Coach.
Team on.
Coach's team. What does your jacket say? Ada?
I'll take it in.
Redlands?
I'll take the roof off that don't make
Oh my god.
We're the underdogs.
We were hanging out with the crew from Vancouver, Canada. Kim, she actually works for the Litas and Hell Babes. And so she was there at the One Moto show. It was really cool. We got to hang out with her and all of her friends, which are wild. They are so much fun.
No, you have to get that. It's
Well,
like
Ash found really cute Fringe chaps, so
I love that this is also.
they didn't fit me.
Anna, you're going to appreciate these. Fringe chaps.
Oh,
did you guys buy these? Yes.
Just found them and she's like, they don't fit.
They did not fit me.
I'll have them.
So, but someone has to enjoy the beauty. Like, okay.
My new vest. Where'd you get that?
Oh, good work. That vest is amazing.
Over here.
That is so cute.
So good.
Yeah.
Wait, those chops?
She's gonna cry. She's
gonna lose it.
first time at a flea market, obviously.
Shaped like hearts. Found a few little wiener ones for me.
We all went to the flea market together, and then of course Ash and I had to go and find a tattoo shop.
What are we doing?
Tattoos.
What are you gonna get? Do you know yet? Look how cute the Pink Panther. Hi.
And then she's gonna get a crop shot when it's done.
That's hilarious. That's actually so funny. So funny.
I'm getting Rob one tattoo.
Because I love him.
So I've always joked to my husband that I'm gonna get his name tattooed on my ass. So when they asked me what I wanted, I just decided now's the time. I didn't tell him I was getting it. I wasn't sure if he'd like it or not, but I just put myself in his shoes, and if I were him, I would like it. So, and also I knew that I would like it. It's on my body.
Drop Rob Wise in a heart. Is red. She can, but none of us else can.
I don't know if he's gonna like it or not, but I don't really care.
What are we doing?
So Skye and Paige actually had to head back to Utah, which left me, Ash, and Red stuck in Portland for a day and a half with really nothing to do.
You're glowing. Your sweatshirt. What's a YouTube? This probably won't make the cut. Definitely not gonna make the cut.
Except, of course, make weird dance videos and ride Lime scooters all around the city. Good times.
I know, the necks are so long, the steering is just... You can't do it one-handed, I will say that. I do a little dance for my camera. Oh, your camera. Okay, Jax, you're up next. Come up with something good. I'm out of frame. That's the viral one. That's the one.
Ash and I had gotten these like highlighter neon hoodies from the One Moto show, and we wore those in our Carhartts that we rode in on the way there. So our outfits were pretty amazing. So we rented Lime scooters. We literally rode all around Portland. It was insane. And I think at one point Ash launched off a curb, but like not on purpose, just didn't see it and just kept going, like didn't even phase her. And then Red ate shit on her scooter because she was dying laughing. It was so funny.
Gotta go back a little further. All the way back there. Highlighter sandwich. Yeah. Make sure you get that out. Come on. Highlighter sandwich. It is. What do we do? It's so scooty. We got to post so we can screenshot it. Yee. Wait, everyone get close. Yeah, first, you're last. Come on, get me. Oh no, that's a bike.
I also remember Red just screaming the whole night, if you ain't first, you're last. So there was a little bit of a competitiveness to it, which I always love. So since this was the first YouTube video I had ever filmed, my phone storage actually filled up and I had to restore my iPhone while we were on this trip, which means I lost a lot of footage. Luckily, for the first 3 videos, it was backed up in the cloud, but for this last video, I am missing a bunch of footage. So I'm sorry you guys don't get to see a lot of the good stuff that happened in that day and a half that we were stuck in Portland, but I'll show you what I do have. So I rode on the back of Red's bike and we rode 45 minutes to Timbertown, Harley-Davidson. My bike was ready to go. This was Tuesday morning. And then we went back to the hotel, loaded up our stuff, and got as far as we could. My bike is running great. We made it about probably 150 miles outside of Portland and sunsetting. So we're gonna grab a little steak dinner at this lounge, and then we're gonna go to probably kind of a seedy hotel, Hillview Motel, actually.
but it's beautiful here.
That leg was honestly really cold. It was beautiful, but it was rough. It is so pretty. We were right on the river. The gals.
Hey, YouTube channel.
How was the leg? How was that leg?
It's actually pretty rough. My butt was hurting.
My ears hurt too. Tell it like it is. Right.
But it was beautiful, so I'm not
I don't know, I'm still kind of mad. Just kidding. This dog's cute. My bike is running. Great. It's running great. Red, what tattoo did you get?
My best friend.
Won't tell anyone what tattoo I got. Ash can show us hers later. Since we only were able to go 150 miles yesterday, we have 665 miles to go today, which is what we like to call a butt burner. Good morning.
Good morning.
665 miles today, bitch. Wake up.
Good morning. Yeah, your wake-up call is a little abrasive today. Last was like
665 miles. Let's go. I guess I'm a morning person. Also, was Red sleeping with like a stuffed animal? I feel like I didn't notice that at the time, but now I have some questions. Like, you can't pack that much on your motorcycle. How did she bring that? I don't know.
Cut what off?
my jacket does like give me arm nice.
What's good in the hood, kids?
We are back in Utah.
Finally.
We had a long day today. Of how many miles, Red?
666 almost.
666.
Feeling pretty wrecked.
But this is our last gas stop. Jessica's gonna peel off in Ogden to go home. And hopefully we make it.
Solid trip.
Literally, hopefully we make it.
We're definitely gonna make it.
Ooh, ooh!
I don't know if Red's
Literally speak for yourself.
Red's gonna make it.
My ears hurt so bad.
Here, let me see them.
Someone please get
They're pretty red.
They're like bruised. And everything that hurts is my ears.
Well, the lighting here is really good.
The whole day, Red had been complaining that her ears hurt, like really bad. And at the last gas stop, we actually listened to her, and her ears are red and bruised, and like she had been having the worst time because of it. And turns out it was her Bluetooth headset in her helmet, and so I pulled the speakers out, and it was a million times better. I feel bad that I didn't do it earlier. It definitely takes like a certain kind of person to be able to go on the road on a motorcycle. It's not relaxing in any shape or form. It actually pushes you to your limits in so many different ways, and this trip was definitely an example of that. We hit, I'm pretty sure we hit snow at one point, my bike breaking down, having to extend our trip. There was just so many things that like we could have never planned for, but it's definitely that stuff that makes it all worth it and why I actually do it, which probably makes me a little bit crazy, but you know. We made it home.